Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return in the UK. First, determine if you need to complete a self-assessment. Many people do, especially if you're self-employed or have other income sources. Next, register with HMRC to receive your unique taxpayer reference, which is essential for the process. Finally, collect all your financial records, like earnings statements and expense receipts, to ensure accuracy. This preparation makes filing much smoother. Once registered, it's time to compile your figures. Accurately calculate your total income from every source, whether it's from a job, self-employment, or property rentals. Don't forget to identify all your allowable expenses. These can significantly lower your tax bill. You can then use HMRC Secure Online Portal or approved commercial software to input your details. This step-by-step approach helps ensure everything is correctly accounted for before submission. After entering all your information, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-checking for any mistakes can save you a lot of hassle later. Once you're confident, submit your self-assessment online well before the deadline to avoid any late filing penalties. Finally, ensure you pay any tax owed by the payment deadline. Staying organized throughout this process helps you meet all your obligations smoothly. To wrap up, always maintain meticulous records for at least 6 years. This is crucial for future reference or if HMRC has queries. If your tax situation is complex or you have specific questions, don't hesitate to seek advice from a qualified tax professional. They can offer tailored guidance. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other deals in the description below. Staying informed and prepared makes tax season much less stressful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.